So in this video, we've got two questions here, and both questions are going to involve a hidden quadratic. Now, the first thing, I've got 4 to the power of x and 2 to the power of x. These bases are different. So I want to change them and have the base number being the same. So for the first one, I'm going to replace 4 with 2 squared. And that's to the power of x plus 2x minus 20 equals 0. Now I can change that around and make it 2 to the x squared plus 2 to the x minus 20. Now, if you're not sure what that hidden quadratic is, replace the 2 to the x with y. So your equation becomes y squared plus y minus 20 equals 0. That equation now factorizes. You can pause if I'm going too quickly and you want to spend a minute factorizing, but I think it factorizes into y plus 5 and y minus 4 equals 0. Now I'm going to replace these y's with my substitution. So I'm going to make it 2x, 2 to the power of x, plus 5, and 2 to the power of x minus 4 equals 0. Now using the second bracket, 2 to the power of x is equal to 4. And so basically this is 2 to the power of something equals 4, so x will be 2. So there's one of my answers. Let's use the other one, which is 2 to the power of x equals negative 5. Now, this question doesn't have an answer. And if you're not sure, you can think about taking logs of both sides, like this, natural logs of both sides. And I'm not going to go on any further because this part here is not allowed. We can't put that in as a natural log. Okay, the domain, the things that go into the log, have got to be bigger than 0. So I've got one answer there, which is x equals 2. So if you want to pause the video and you try doing the second one, and if you're not sure, I'll go through the second one now. 25 to the x, I'm going to write that as 5x squared minus 23, 5 to the x minus 50 equals 0. I'm going to replace 5 to the x with y. So it becomes y squared minus 23y minus 50 equals 0. I'm going to factorize it and make it y minus 25 and y minus 2, plus 2 rather. I'm going to do the second bracket first. So instead of having it as y plus 2, let me just replace this as 5x minus 25 and 5x plus 2. Now the second bracket doesn't give me a solution because I've ended up with the same thing on the highlighted part there. If I take logs of both sides, there will be no solution. Take the other one and it will be 5x equals 25. So that's x to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 2, so it means that x is 2, and that's the second solution.